Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 3025E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300E front end loader. Tractor has just under 300 hours on it. It's a very nice clean machine. Has 24 horsepower. The engine does not have any of the DPF or DEF systems, so it has no exhaust filter of any kind. And again, does come with a 300E loader. Has a John Deere quick attach for your bucket connection up front here. Does have the hydrostat transmission. R4 tires are in nice shape. Has a 3-point hitch with the drawbar and top link with the machine. Foldable rollover bar. Nice size tractor for around the barn chores. Small enough to get in the yard if you want to do some yard work. It's a nice medium-sized tractor. Does also have the John Deere warranty till September of 2026. 2019 year model with 285 hours. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.